Welcome to your Bible adventure. Time to test your Bible knowledge. Can you get every question right? 25 choices, one answer in 10 seconds. Ready? Let's get it. Easy level. First question, who was the first man created by God in the garden? A. Noah. B. Adam. C. Abraham. B. Adam. Who built the large ark to save the animals from the flood? A. Noah. B. Moses. C. Jacob. A. Noah. Which young shepherd defeated the giant Goliath with a slingshot? A. Saul. B. Solomon. C. David. C. David. Which prophet was swallowed by a big fish for 3 days? A. Jonah. B. Daniel. C. Elijah. A. Jonah. In which city was the baby Jesus born in a manger? A. Jerusalem. B. Bethlehem. C. Nazareth. B. Bethlehem. Medium level. Kindly subscribe for more quizzes. Thanks. How many commandments did God give to Moses on Mount Sinai? A. 7. B. 12. C. 10. C. 10 commandments. Which son of Jacob had a famous coat of many colors? A. Joseph. B. Isaac. C. Benjamin. A. Joseph. What did Jesus use to miraculously feed the 5,000 people? A. Manna. B. Bread and fish. C. Wine. B. Bread and fish. Where did Adam and Eve live before they were cast out? A. Canaan. B. Eden. C. Mount Sinai. B. Eden. Which leader led the Israelites out of slavery in Egypt? A. Joshua. B. Moses. C. Aaron. B. Moses. What was the Apostle Paul's name before he met Jesus? A. Saul. B. Silas. C. Barnabas. A. Saul. Which faithful prophet was miraculously protected in a lion's den? A. Jeremiah. B. Daniel. C. Ezekiel. B. Daniel. How many disciples did Jesus originally choose to follow him? A. 12. B. 10. C. 7. A. 12 disciples. Which strong judge had his hair cut by Delilah? A. Samson. B. Absalom. C. Esau. A. Samson. Which city's walls fell after the Israelites marched around them? A. Babylon. B. Jericho. C. Nineveh. B. Jericho. Hard level. How many days did God take to finish the world's creation? 6 days, and he rested on the seventh day. Which brave queen saved her people from a deadly plot? A. Ruth. B. Esther. C. Deborah. B. Esther. Who is recorded as the oldest man to ever live? A. Methuselah. B. Abraham. C. Noah. A. Methuselah. What was the very first miracle Jesus performed in Cana? He turned water into wine. Which prophet was taken to heaven in a chariot of fire? A. Elisha. B. Isaiah. C. Elijah. C. Elijah. Impossible level. Who was anointed as the very first king of Israel? The answer is King Saul. True or false? Aaron was the older brother of Moses. True. Exactly how many books are found in the New Testament? 27 books in total. True or false? God created Eve from one of Adam's ribs. The answer is true. Who was the very first person to see the risen Christ? It was Mary Magdalene.